Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trim videos on CapCut PC. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So as you can see, I have this video imported in my CapCut project, and if I want to remove some of the part of this video or to simply make it shorter, I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, we'll make this video shorter. So if you want to shorten this video to 5 seconds, you need to drag this video from the end to the necessary position. So for example, to that moment, and as you can see now our video is shorter. You can do it not from the end but from the beginning also, just like that, and now our video lose some of the parts and it made shorter. If you want to remove the part in the middle, for example, for example, I don't want this part to be in the video, I can split the video into two parts. So choose the necessary position and click on this button right here, split. And now we have two parts of the video. We can drag them and replace them if we want. So the end of the video will be at the beginning and the beginning at the end. And also we can choose the part of the video and remove it. So for example, I will split once again right here, and if I select this part I can click on delete, and now I'll have the video without this part. And basically that is it. That is how you can trim video in CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.